Looking for the perfect way to cool down this summer? Meet our incredibly refreshing watermelon and lime mojito salad. It's a real lifesaver. This dessert is not only delicious, but also extremely healthy. Containing minimal calories and plenty of vitamins, let's start cooking. Take a juicy, ripe watermelon and cut it into appetizing cubes. Just look at how bright it looks under the sun's rays. Add a handful of fresh blueberries and raspberries. This combination of colors and flavors is incredible and full of natural antioxidants. Now, the secret ingredient, fresh mint. Finely chop the fragrant leaves to fill the salad with true summer coolness and freshness. Prepare the dressing. Mix lime juice with brown sugar and a drop of vanilla. Mix thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves. Slowly pour the dressing over the fruit and gently toss. It's important to keep the shape of the berries for a perfect look. The final touch, the sprig of mint on top. Your perfect summer snack is ready. Enjoy with pleasure and share with friends.